Hello everyone, Bingo here, and tonight we are unboxing this Philips Hue bar. I'm trying to look at the proper name for this product, but yeah, it's pretty much the Philips Hue bar, I think. But yeah, it's basically a light bar or a mood bar or whatever you wanna describe it. But yeah, it says Hue Play light bar with 2 meters cable. That's what we got in the box, and some other stuff. We got the power supply unit, table stand and screw, 2 times mounted clip and tape, and this is the preview that we're getting and how these things are used. So this is about 120 Australian dollars when I bought it. That's for the 2 bars, and I think it's about 80 per if you just want to buy one. So yeah, you kind of save some on the bundle. And there we go. Right, leads us right away. So I think there's a better way to unbox this. Let's have a look first at our accessories. I'm thinking this is the base, the stands, more stands, got the power supply, 3, and that's it. Power supply with 3 things, 3 outputs. Got some screws here as well. Let's save that here just in case we need it. But that's all there is in the box. Let's have a look at the bars itself, which comes in this there we go. Okay, so it's covered in paper. Let's have a look at this. This is the light bar itself. This is a light bar itself, and yeah, I'm not gonna bother putting it up on the base or something. I just wanna. We also got like a Australian adapter here. Slides it in. Pretty much reckon it's to produce the same thing for every country and then just change it up to where you're based from. It's got some cables in it. Yeah, just remove this. I just want to see how it looks like, or let you guys rather see what it looks like. So you can plug in up to 3 bars. That's how you like it, and I believe you can control this through their app. We're gonna give it a try a bit later. I've actually downloaded the app on my phone just to prepare. Get rid of this, and then, as Jurgen Klopp said, boom. Okay, I'm gonna quickly try to reach the outlet down here, and voila, let there be light. That is actually really bright. I actually have the lamp on here. Turn it off. I still got the room light, and yeah, let's try to put the, so you can put this down, like it sits down like that. But if you want to do like a horizontal thing, stand it up. Let's actually read this. Let's have a read somehow to stand it up. That's too bright. Let's put it here. Let's try to put the... There we go. And that's a mood. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but yeah, it just shows where you can put it. But to stand it up, you need to... How do I make it stand up? That's a good question. So, I believe this is to mount this like that. That's why we got included those screws. So you can have it as a stand there. But I want to make this stand up vertically. Yeah, I think that's the right shape, isn't it? So you can always make it stand up like that. Alright, for now, we'll worry about those later, but let's try hooking it up with the app. There should be a app on the Play Store if you just look up Philips Hue. There we go. Already installed it. Just gonna open. Welcome to Hue. I'm just gonna get started. Yes, I accept the terms. Take my kidneys. Privacy note. Yep. Sign in. Can I do that later? I hate it when they make you sign in. Yes, continue. Start setup. I don't have that bridge. Hue products have QR codes. Oh, where is it? The QR code should be... Oh, I think it's the one here in the box. I think that should be it. Find QR code. Done. It's not scanning. I don't know. It's supposed to, like, maybe there's another no QR code. Set up without a QR code. Alright, we're gonna add lights and smart plugs. Bluetooth access required. Allow. Stay within 1 meter of the light. I'm actually on top of the light. Searching for quite a bit. So yeah, this is the first setup. Let's try to... Actually, I want to... No lights found. Make sure the lights are powered on. Try again. It's right here. There's no other buttons or anything. It's just... There we go. Pair with Hue Play. Yeah, pair with that. So it detects both devices separate. I'll name them later. Okay, there we go. Next. Skip for that. All set. This is the app. This is actually the first time I'm seeing the app. Can turn it on. The other one didn't turn off. There we go. So I'm actually gonna try and use this as like a night lamp of some sort, and then you can just drag what color you want. Actually, let's turn up the lights of the room. And we actually, there we go. In all its glorious beauty. So let's turn this off. See nothing. And then on the first day, the Lord said, "Let there be light." I'm not sure if it's actually his first day or second day. So yeah, they got some options here to just, so this is for pick one. You can change one light to another. Could do like blue, and the other would be red. This one would be blue. I said you would be. Oh, okay, there's a map. You can just change interchangeably then. So I'm like the police now. I'm not gonna do that, so I might get caught. But yeah, we can put it into, save that. And then there we go. It's actually, I did not expect this to be this bright. So I can put it like that. And there's not much view in my room right now, but I'm just gonna quickly go through this options. You can routines, explore, and you get gallery scenes. I'm gonna do some winter. I wonder if they can make it like, because I'm pretty sure it can sync to your music or something. Or if you watch a video,
there is no one like you.
the one where it can sync to the, depends on the background of the video that you're watching, but I don't know how to set that up as of now, or if it only works on like a TV. But let's try Jolly, Golden Star, Nutcracker, Rosy Sparkle. And to give you, oh, let's start with that. And I'll just quickly move the camera. You can see my messy room. And that's how it goes. Let's try to add some aesthetic to the guitars. Put it down there. And then, yeah, shows you what, like, you can always be creative with how you want it to be, you know? But yeah, this is the Philips Hue light bar, mood bar. And I'm gonna try and play with this more because I'm quite excited to give it a try. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. See you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what do you think about this product for using it. Anyway, this is I'm gonna, I'll see you in the next video. Can't think of an outro.